Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for October 20th, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is National Grouch Day. Grumpy Monkey Says No by Suzanne Lang, illustrated by Max Lang. Chimpanzee woke up feeling grumpy. It was the sort of thing that happened to him a lot. Norman was eating bananas. Want one? Norman asked. Jim loved bananas. Eating a banana might make him feel better, but Jim didn't feel like feeling better. No, said Jim. Tortoise and Marabou were playing tag. Would you like to play with us? They asked. Sometimes Jim liked playing tag. Sometimes he did not. Today was a did not day. No, said Jim. The jungle sun was high in the sky. It was making Jim hot and uncomfortable. Jim did not like being hot and uncomfortable. Then he saw Bullfrog enjoying a mud bath. Perfect day for a splash, wouldn't you say? She asked. Jim looked at the cool mud. It sure looked tempting on this hot day, but then he remembered he was grumpy. No, yelled Jim. Norman came up to Jim. Staying grumpy can be a lot of work. Plus, you might miss out on some good stuff. But Jim had already made up his mind to be grumpy, so all he could say was, No, 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 no! Do you want to stay out there by yourself, Jim? Asked Norman. No! How are you feeling? Nervous? Happy? Sad? Silly? Grumpy? Excited? Mad? Scared? Bananas! The end. We're going to make a paper plate Grumpy Monkey. So what you'll need is some crayons, markers, paints, coloring pencils. I'm going to use crayons. I'm going to use brown for the head and pink for the face and ears. I'm sorry, peach, not pink. And you'll need a glue stick or glue. And your Craft to Go kit includes a paper plate, a Grumpy Monkey face, and 2 Grumpy Monkey ears, which you'll glue underneath the plate. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color. And I'm going to color the plate brown because that's going to be my head. And I'm going to do my best to get all of it colored. But you can see you're going to get some weird lines from the curvature of the plate. But I'm going to go ahead and color this brown. And this part here peach. But I'm going to turn off the video and finish coloring so that you don't have to watch me color the whole time. And then I'll come back and we'll put it together. Okay, I've colored everything. So now I'm just going to glue the parts on. First thing I'm going to glue on is the face. And I just need my glue stick. And I'm just going to put some glue on it. Captain Obvious. What else would you do with a glue stick? Okay. I'm going to glue that right on the middle there. And you can see his eyes hang over a little bit, but that's okay. So that's glued on. Then we have to glue the ears on the back. See, it says on here to glue this part to the paper plate. So we're going to glue it to the back part of it. So I'm just going to put some glue on there. And some glue on this one. Make sure my ears are pointed the way I want them. And press it down. And press it down. And I would usually let that dry a little bit, but just to show you, oops, got some glue. I always have extra glue, don't I? This is what he looks like, Grumpy Monkey. That's all there is to it.